In this video, I'm going to introduce you to AnimateDiff, which is yet another generative AI tool. On your screen, you can see the official repository of this generative AI tool, which is AnimateDiff, and it enables users to animate personalized text to image models without specific tuning, combining generated static images with motion dynamics. The installation is a bit tricky and I will be making another separate video to install it locally. But in this video, let me quickly show you one of the demo images from their repository. So in this demo, you can see that the first step is to select a pre-trained model and they are selecting Stable Diffusion version 1.5 in this one. And then you can also select the motion module, whereas some of them you can leave alone and some of them should be selected. And I believe that if you just select the default values, that should be good enough. Once that's done, you need to uh, check the configs for AnimateDiff, which includes a prompt, and this prompt is where you put in different sort of textures and other elements of the image. Once that's done, just leave rest of it to the default and click on generate, and it will generate this text to image models without any specific tuning. So if you go to their papers website, you can see the abstract here, and it clearly tells you that once this model is trained, by simply injecting this motion modeling module, all personalized version derived from the same base T21 readily become text-driven models, which is huge. And they also say that all the code and pre-trained weights will be publicly available as this HTTPS URL, which I just showed you in this repository. So hats off to the creators, all of these guys, which have really done wonderful work. But I still feel that they need to make installation a bit easier. There are a lot of issues, as you can see, there are a lot of issues. They also have mentioned them on their website. So I believe that this is still evolving, and in the coming days, it will become more mature. On the surface of it, the installation steps are quite easy. All you need to do is to git clone the repository, use Conda to activate that environment. Anyway, I'll be making another video on this installation. Rest of it is different information about the weights and friends and all that stuff. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.